If you ever go across the sea to Ireland, then maybe at the closing of your day, you will see the water moon rise over Glasgow, and see the sun go down on Galway Bay. For the breeze is blowing o'er the seas from Ireland, a perfume by the heather as they blow, and the women in the uplands making practice sing a language that the strangers do not know. And if there is going to be a life hereafter, and somewhere I am sure there's going to be, I will ask my God to let me make my heaven in the land across the